buttons. We can make all buttons enabled. All are enabled. Okay. Then the status bar also we can have date, time base, all can be added. Okay. Then the columns. Okay. So now what is that to be? Okay, columns, ID, right. Data export. Okay, where to be? We can export this recipe also, right? Let me export it as a recipe, a file name recipe. We can have the path as C colon, then users, then desktop, then desktop. Then what is the file folder name in my desktop? What folder is available? Export data, right? Export data, export data. Okay, so let me save. Then compile. Compilation is over. Okay, download. Load. Okay, let me check. Motor, then home, recipe. Okay, whatever you have created, we can find it here. Water, milk, what about tea value? Tea values, we have not given the tea value. Huh? Lemon, ginger. You have given some value, right? Tea powder also value is there. Tea powder is there. Okay. Okay, tea recipe management, everything is there, right? Okay, once again, let me save and compile. Right. Now all values are there. Okay, so ID. These are all the default values available. Okay. Now, right now, some customized values also we can take. Example, I want to add my own customized data, right? So probably as a ID 6, I want to add water some 20%. Water is very less, right? 20% water. 22% of water. No. Okay. Then let me say 75% of milk. Okay. Then tea powder, 5% of tea powder. Okay, no lemon. 5% of tea powder, right? So no lemon, no ginger. If you wanted to add that as the next recipe, what we can do is there is option available to read the tags. To read tags. Probably new recipe which I am just adding. Read tags. Now you can see that last user is myself, right? So earlier this was the recipe was available, right? For example, I just wanted to change this current value, this 2075 5 to some other recipe which is available inside this SCADA. What you should do is just select this, just write. So when I try to press write, what will happen? The data pertaining to ID 1 will be written here. You just see that it will be written. Yes, what earlier it was 20, 75, and it has become, this is meant for what recipe? Black tea. So for example, I just wanted to have the fifth one. So this is working on right now. I just wanted to have the fifth one, right? Yes, right. Right. So where it can be used, one simple example I'll just tell you. Probably there is a multi tea, what is it called? Tea machine is available. You wanted to go for a black tea. Then what should you do? Just click one, then write. Automatically, this particular data will be taken by the controller and corresponding tea you will get. You wanted to have a normal tea. Just select second ID, then write. Okay. Otherwise, I don't want all these. I just wanted to have something else new. Okay. So water, no water, right? 0%, 0%, 0% water, right? I want 90% milk, 90% milk. Okay. Then 10% tea powder. Okay. Just read this. Okay. So accordingly it will work. Understand, friends, students? Okay. I hope you understand what is it. Then there is an option to export this data, right? Export data. Export, and this was the path which you got given. User desktop export data, right? Okay. So whatever is available in the current recipe will be exported as CSV file. Okay. Something wrong, eh? User desktop export data. Export underscore data only, no? Okay, it is asking me to, since the path is having some problem, let us see in the path which you have given. Users desktop, users desktop. No. After user, there is one. Okay. Now let me save this. OneDrive is also could be possible. OneDrive slash. Okay, let me save this. Okay, then save, compile, download. whatever we have created, we can find there. Okay, export data. This is not there, it seems. So if we create it, I don't know where it is going to create it. No. OneDrive, spelling mistake is there. OneDrive, ONE, OneDrive. Okay. Okay, that is how we have to export the data. Downloading is over. Project downloading is. Since I have rewritten, all old values are only the default values are available. Okay, so let me take this value. Wait. Okay, so probably I wanted to have something else. We can have it. So let me export the data. Okay. Again, so creating another directory unnecessarily. This is how you have to export the data. Then if you wanted to print, okay, my reports, let me create this as new one, replace it in the table. Okay, let us check whether this particular recipe is printed in table. Let us see. So this is the current recipe is available, right? Different IDs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The last one which we have created is eighth one. Okay, so then we can find all the details available. So this is how we have to create the recipe and get the data in the SCADA systems. Okay, so with this I just wind up today's section, students.